I'm Melissa Freisen, the Managing Director of Pre-Construction for Crystal Creek Homes.
So where are we?
We are in Calgary, Alberta, in our design center.
And what are you seeing in terms of trends in the bathroom?
So we're actually standing in a bathroom that has a lot of trends in it. Dual vanities has been really popular for us, allowing two people to get ready each morning, and the additional storage. We also are standing on top of a mosaic tile floor, which really is something that's added a lot of interest into the space. And we've got mixed metals happening in here as well in our hardware and lighting fixtures. Freestanding tubs have been a huge trend. We're seeing the death of the drop-in tub.
What about the death of the freestanding shower?
Absolutely not. The freestanding shower is a huge trend. They're getting bigger and bigger in our spaces. This one here is about a 5x3 glass to the ceiling. The one around the corner here is just that much bigger. We've got, again, interesting shower details to it, full height glass, and a bench in this one.
And what are the options in terms of scalability or the enclosure itself?
Enclosures itself, we can change the different door style with the glass. This one here is a swing style door. There's also the ability to have sliding doors to it, take your glass all the way to the ceiling or leave it a little bit lower. We have the opportunity to add in benches, to add in those niches, and then looking at our drain styles too is something. This here is a curbed shower. We can do curbless showers too in a lot of our models.
And what about the finishes in the actual shower head?
So many options with that. We're finding a lot of our clients are wanting to add in dual water sources. So we've started seeing a big trend towards those ceiling mounted shower heads or rain shower heads in something like this or this guy here with adding in that hand shower detail to it. So we're finding there's a lot of trends to have black and dual water sources in the shower. And we're finding that we're matching that to our sink finish as well with that faucet.
And what are you seeing in terms of single versus double vanities?
Anytime we can, we're doing a double vanity. We've got another one here behind us where we've added in double vanities with that vessel style sink. So again, giving added storage and the ability for people to get ready at the same time.
And what about the mirror behind it?
Mirrors are a place that you can really personalize your space. We can take that mirror to the ceiling, we can add a frame detail to it. We're also seeing a huge trend in adding any arches or rounded mirrors to a space.
Do you see layered lighting playing a role with how the mirror is?
Absolutely. We are seeing a lot of opportunity for us to maintain with our typical vanity style light, but we're also seeing pendants dropped in our bathrooms as well as wall sconces for added additional light sources.
What are you seeing in terms of built-in storage or additional storage in the bathroom?
For sure. We're seeing the trend to have as much storage as possible. So within that vanity space, adding in additional drawers has been huge. This particular one here, we did a little bit of an interesting detail with adding the open storage below for an extra basket or for towels. And then in this vanity here, we had the space to add a tower to it. So adding that tower in between the vanities just gives that extra storage space.
And so, I mean, the most important factor in the bathroom is what tile you're using. And so what are you seeing in terms of tiles?
Of course, everyone's excited to select their tiles when they come into our design center. We've got so many options. This whole side of the design center is actually set up for tile as well as our hardwood selections. We find that a larger format tile has been really, really popular. And again, back to those natural elements. So something like this here with having those stone looks to it, adding that warmth and texture, really when then adding some accents of some of these added details for vanity splashes, fun for main bathroom with kids, bringing in a little pop of color, where we're finding a lot of our primary suites are a little bit more neutral and warm.
So is it always just tile or is there hardwood as well?
So with the trend to go more warm in our houses, we're actually seeing a little bit more of that hardwood in the bathrooms. We're also seeing hardwood being brought throughout the entire home. We've got lots of options here in our design center, and we're finding that trend changing from the really, really light woods back towards those warmer depths of color base. Thank you for joining me at Crystal Creek Homes here in Calgary, Alberta.